Welcome. This instructional video was made for you by Thorne Library staff. This video will show you how to access and use the library's research guides. The guides are useful because they highlight the library's resources by discipline, which means that many of the resources you'll need for your major or a specific class will all be in one place. First, go to the library's homepage by typing library.mvnu.edu into the browser. Select Library Resources, then go down to Research Guides. This brings you to the page listing all of the guides by subject area. There are also guides that help you use the library, do research, and write papers. On the right-hand side of the page is a link to the list of the most useful databases. These databases are listed in alphabetical order, but you are also able to search for databases that have to do with a particular subject or database type. The right column of this page lists the most popular generally used databases. Click on the guide pertaining to your major or to a class you're taking. The articles page shows you databases that are specific to this discipline, as well as popular general databases that might be helpful to your search. The books page includes search boxes for the library's physical collection, the OhioLink catalog, and the WorldCat catalog. WorldCat can tell you what libraries in your area have a particular resource. The instructional videos page guides you to our list of videos that show you how to do everything from renewing materials using our databases. If you have any questions or comments, please contact the Thorne Library staff by emailing us at library@mvnu.edu and follow us on social media to receive important updates. Thank you.